let's get started. First, I'm going to go in with my contour. You can use as much or as little as you want. This helps to sculpt and lift the face. It is an instant facelift. It adds so much beauty to the face. I'm going to come right up under my nose to try to lift that nose and kind of narrow the sides of my nose. A little definition under the lip helps make that lip look a little bigger. Now my main skin shade, I'm going to just buff that in wherever I don't have my contour. This is my main foundation shade. It is called Wheat, and the contour was called Indigo. Next, I'm going in with my Bella bronzer, and I'm just adding a lot of warmth to my face. Again, this is really going to help add a lot of youth to the skin and just add a lot of little kiss of the sun. Here is my Hollywood blush. Just going to pat that. And then for Sunlit, this is going to really open up my eye area. A little on the bridge of my nose and the outside corner of my eyes, inside corner of my eyes. Get rid of that dark shadow I have in there. A little on the forehead. Cupid's bow chin, and now blend. I like to start with the lighter colors, and I'm just going to buff it in and just melt all those colors into my skin for a flawless, beautiful finish. It just looks like your skin. It doesn't look like makeup. It is a cream foundation. It just melts into your skin and creates the most beautiful, dewy finish. I like to start with the light colors and then work my way to the darker shades. There's really no right or wrong way to apply this makeup. It's pretty simple. It's pretty seamless. Now I'm going into my darker shade. And again, just patting it in my skin, helping it just melt into my skin and create just a flawless, flawless finish. Now I'm going to finish up with my sponge. This is just going to make it look airbrushed and beautiful. And now I'm going in back in with a little more Bella bronzer because I love the kiss of the sun on my face. I like to have it look like I'm suntan and I spend hours and hours out in the sun. Now I'm going in with a little bit of a green. This is a demi. These are based on color science and it's a color corrector. So this I'm patting on the bruises that I have underneath my eyes, and I'm just going to cancel out that redness. It's magic. I'm going back in with my Bella bronzer, and I'm just going to use that for my eyeshadow today. Just going to put it on the tip of my finger and place it on the outside corner and just swoop it in. Super easy, super simple. You don't have to have a separate eyeshadow. You can just use your beautiful contour or your beautiful Bella bronzer. And I'm just taking a brush and just kind of buffing it in. I'm taking a little bit of our Black Friday eyeliner and just doing the outside corner of my eyes and just gliding it in, keeping it really simple but adding some drama and dimension to my eyes. I forgot to add before the Bella bronzer underneath my eyes, so I'm swooping that in right now. That's just the Bella bronzer that I use for my eyeshadow. I'm going in with this little demi. It's a peach shade, and what I'm doing is all the little divots in my face where I have deep wrinkles, I am placing that precisely over where I have those little divots. So this peach shade is going to get rid of the shadows. As you can see, where I have kind of deep wrinkles in my face, this will camouflage those deep wrinkles. Watch this. This is magic. This is magic. It just disappears. Where did it go? Where did that deep wrinkle go? Poof, it just vanishes. It's just color science, and it's just an optical illusion. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to take a little bit of that and put it in the corner of my eyes. I have really deep set eyes, and it gets really shadowy in there. And I love it light and bright. And I'm just going to make sure that I pat everything in. A little mascara. Oops, I forgot to speed. I didn't speed up this part of the video. Oh my gosh. So you can fast forward over this part. This is like, I am going really slow with this mascara. Hopefully this won't last too long. Okay, so we're back to normal speed. Just popping on a little mascara, top and bottom. And now I'm going in with my contour shade, which is called Indigo. Again, I forgot to speed up this part of the video. I will get better at this. I'm learning a new app to try to do this. So this is my contour shade that I use. So it's called Indigo. And I'm just using it to do my eyebrows as well. So hopefully this won't last too long. I'm just taking it and dragging that cream, beautiful cream, along my eyebrows, below and above, and giving myself a prettier shape and a fuller shape. Do you see the difference brows can make? Crazy. Just beautiful. I love how my face feels so pretty once I have those beautiful brows. And that's it. Now you can fluff up the front if you want and make it look really natural. Now I'm going to take a little bit of my powder. It's a translucent powder just to set those brows and bring down the color just a wee bit. I'm also going to take a little bit of the powder and just do my T-zone down my nose, on my chinny chin chin, and under my eyes. I'm going in with this pretty glossy lip color. I don't know the name of it. I'll find out for you if you're interested in it. And I'm just popping that on my bottom and top lip. And that will complete this super simple, super easy makeup look for today. All in one palette. All my products that I need are right there for me to grab. Voila! That's it. Super easy, super pretty. Just your skin only a little better. Have a blessed day. Take care.